In this video, we'll take a look at the sample test feature of the software. The sample tests mimic the exam format in the terms of the time, number of questions, and level of difficulty of past exam questions. In order to start a sample test, select Practice Sample Test from the main menu. Once a sample test is selected, students are given instructions on how to properly complete the test. After reading the instructions, click on Continue to start the test. On the question screen, you will see a box that contains any graphic that may be relevant to the question. Immediately below the box is a question that needs to be answered. The question is followed by 4 answer options labeled A, B, C, or D. At the bottom of the screen are 4 buttons which allow students to go back to the previous question, move on to the next question, correct the questions at the end of the test, or open an electronic scratchpad to do any necessary working. At the top right is a clock that displays the amount of time remaining. Below the clock is Buzz the Bee, who students can click on to pause the test. Clicking on Buzz again will restart the test. It is important to note that once the test is started, it can only be paused once. The program displays the first question on the test. Students will choose A, B, C, or D to select their answer, and then click on Next Question to move on. If at any point during the test a student needs a break, they can click on Buzz to pause the test. At the end of the test, students should click on the Correct Questions button to get their answers corrected and view the exam report. After the student has worked his sample test, the program will display a report which indicates their overall score and time taken to complete the test. The report also lists a grade for each topic covered in the test. This is very useful in indicating potential weak areas that may need more work. Students can then return to the practice questions to work on these topics. The student can also print the report from the screen. After closing the report, students will have an opportunity to review the results of the sample tests. At this stage, they can go through each question to see what they got correct, what they got incorrect, and review the steps or explanations to arrive at the correct answers. For more videos and information, follow us on social media or visit our website www.my11plus.com.